The first thing you need to do is get the actor's face ready. And for men and women, a couple of things are the same. First of all, we want to make sure that the face is very clean. And you can do that with makeup remover, or baby wipes are very convenient and handy, and they do a really good job. But you do need to use eye makeup remover for eye makeup because they tend to have some oils in them. So make sure that's all off as well. So we're going to do that first. We've got Xandra with us today, and she's already got her cape on, as you can see. So we're actually going to start just removing the makeup that she has, because it's very important to start with a clean palette. In this process, a lot of actors like to use their own products that they use at home in taking off of their makeup, because they already know if they're allergic to it or not. Because after we take off the makeup, then we want to use some kind of astringent or toner to make sure we get every little bit of it off. And a lot of times they already know if that particular product is going to affect their skin in a negative way. So after we take off the makeup, then we can use a toner, and then we're going to put on some moisturizer, which is very important because theater makeup is really heavy and it's very drying, but this will actually help it to go on very smoothly. So the next step is to put the moisturizer on the face. It's important to be careful around the eye area because that skin is very sensitive and very thin there, so be really careful around there. As a matter of fact, a lot of times with the moisturizer, I like to just kind of pat it in with my finger so that we're not pulling and stretching that sensitive skin there.